Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us a pep talk at a weird angle while doing my hair in a 60-second video. Right now I am camping with friends and it's been kind of a crazy week. Right now there's a lot of life stuff going on, there's a lot of writing stuff going on, and all in all I felt overwhelmed. And sometimes when I feel like this, I'll think things to myself like, gosh, I really should get some work done. Getting up early and sunrise painting with some amazing friends this morning was a really beautiful reminder that sometimes these moments for relaxation and connecting with nature, honestly, come at these moments when you need them. Instead of forcing yourself to be busy and get work done and power through, remember to take those moments of rest when they come. Remember to relax and hang out and laugh with your friends and make new friends. It's easy to get into that work mode. But remember that in order to continue to work and to do good work that you love and you're proud of, you have to get some rest. Take care of yourself. Happy writing, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.